Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up budgeting for premiums with PocketGuard detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up budgeting for premiums with PocketGuard, install the app and open it to create a new account. Sign up using your email address and create a secure password. Once logged in, link your bank accounts and credit cards to PocketGuard. This step allows the app to track your income and expenses automatically. Next, access the budget section within the app. Choose the categories you want to budget for, such as entertainment or groceries. Include a new budget category specifically for your premium payments, like subscriptions or insurances. Input your total monthly premium expenses in this budget category. Set your budget limits based on your financial goals and available income. PocketGuard will analyze your spending patterns and suggest budget adjustments if necessary. Regularly check the app to monitor your budget and spending in real time. Make any changes to your budgets as your income or expenses fluctuate. Utilize the insights provided by PocketGuard to make informed financial decisions. Review your premium budgets at the end of each month. Assess if you stayed within your budget and adjust for the upcoming month if needed. By consistently managing your budget using PocketGuard, you can ensure financial stability regarding your premium payments. Make budgeting a monthly habit to improve your financial health over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.